One of the reasons you may have chronic ankle problems can be explained by using this. This is the cumulative injury cycle. So years ago when you first had your injury, you had this ouch event here, and it's a tear or crunch, you twisted your ankle, and that causes inflammation. So the first stages of healing is inflammation. That's normal. It swells, it hurts, it bruises. That's inflammation. But if you get caught in an inflammation cycle and it's not treated appropriately, you end up with adhesions and fibrosis. So adhesions, the tissue sticks together too much and doesn't move and slide very well. Fibrosis, everything sticks together more. So if this adhesions and fibrosis occurs, the end result is weak and tense tissue. So the weak and tense tissue is obviously a problem. You want your tissue in your ankle to be strong and flexible enough to do its job. So if you end up with weak and tense tissue, that will lead to more friction and pressure surrounding that tissue and in the joint, and in your case, the ankle. If that's the case, you have more friction and pressure, you'll end up with a chronic irritation and decreased circulation and swelling. So this is problematic because it also leads to more adhesions and fibrosis, and then leads to weak and tense tissue. So the other part of that cycle is if you end up with weak and tense tissue with friction and pressure, it leads you to be more likely to have another acute event. So you can twist your ankle more easily if your tissue is weak and tense. And that will lead you to more inflammation and start you on this cycle again. So it's our job to try to get you out of this cycle and make your tissue strong and flexible enough to do its job.